Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I picked up some soft pink roses from the Dollar Tree, some more lamb's ear, and a little vase from the Dollar Tree as well. I thought we could make it a little bit better than just the clear glass vase though. So I'm actually going to show you how easy it is to frost glass. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. And we're going to be using that Rust-Oleum frosted glass spray paint. I think I actually picked this up at Amazon, but I know I've seen it at Walmart before. I'll try to see if I have this linked in my shop. I'm pretty sure I got this on Amazon. And it just goes on like spray paint. It's so easy to do. So I just went ahead and put my glass in my box again to kind of prevent overspray. I'm going to try to do this without getting anything on my camera. I hope. So I just went over the bottom, went over all of it with one coat, and then went in with my heat gun to dry it. As you can see, as it dries, it gets that beautiful like frosted finish, which is just going to make it look so much more high end. You're not going to be able to see the stems in there from the Dollar Tree, which kind of look a little bit cheaper on Dollar Tree florals. And I had pretty good coverage. There was one side that wasn't near as frosted as the other. So I am going to touch up that side with another coat just to make sure that I had even coverage. But again, really easy to do. And one coat's really all you need. I probably didn't get the back of it as good as I needed. So I just kind of spray painted another little layer of that. And that looks really good. I'm going to just kind of sand off whatever was dripped on the top so it'll give it a nice clean look. But I love the frosted look. What do you guys think about that? Now, these are the florals we're going to use again. I picked up 2 bunches of the pink roses. I don't like the greenery on them though. I think that looks really cheap. So what I'm doing is just pulling my roses off and pulling off the tags and all of the leaves on here, just leaving the pink roses. I'm going to try to replace all the greenery with actually some of the Dollar Tree lamb's ear so I can still have like that soft pink and light green, like fuzzy leaf thing that we've been doing today. Kind of the vibe for these DIYs. And I think it turned out really pretty. As you can see, that lamb's ear just looks so much better than these green leaves on the roses for sure. So I'm going to need both of this for sure because I want it to be a nice, tall, like full floral arrangement. So I'm going to cut one of them off like 2, there's little notches on there, so 2 notches to kind of make a shorter bundle. And then the other one, I'm only going to cut one off. This is going to be kind of my longer part that can be sticking up a little bit higher. And I just cut my wires down with some of those floral scissors from the Dollar Tree. Where I can kind of put them all together like that. It's going to give me a really nice spring bouquet. And then for the lamb's ear, I picked up these kind of longer ones that have like 2 branches on them. And I'm just going to cut the 2 branches off. They're going to be like one's going to be a little bit longer than the other, but again, perfect lengths for what I'm using for this DIY. And since I frosted the glass, you're not really going to be able to see the stems inside. And I don't really have to put anything in there because it's all going to kind of just sit nicely down there. So I'm just kind of grouping them all together. I did the shorter flowers first with all of the new greenery. And then I can go in there with my taller flowers right from the top and put those down inside. And then it's just a matter of kind of arranging them, making sure that the leaves and the flowers look symmetrical, look their very best. And I'm so glad I decided to replace the greenery in these because these soft colors are definitely my vibe for the spring for sure. I thought about adding something to the vase, but I kind of like the simplicity of it. And I think this is so pretty for spring. And again, it is pink roses, so it'd be perfect for Valentine's Day too. So you could put it up early as well. This is how mine turned out. And I really love that frosted technique. It just really takes that cheap $1.25 vase and makes it look way more high end. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really beautiful.